This is a product review on new GLOBEHOME 12-inch frying pan 5-layer high-end material product upgrade. And we will be cooking something in it. And you're gonna make what today? Bourbon steak?
Steak and shrimp.
That's a quick video. Not full, showing the full.
Okay, I put it upside down. That's all right. This will knock someone out.
How heavy is that? Let me see. Hit my hand. Oh, wow.
That's what I said.
Son of a gun.
This will hurt somebody.
Let's see what the back looks like. Wow. Let's see the handle. The inside of the handle. Okay.
Nice.
That looks good. And we are going to cook today. Let me see what we got here from GLOBEHOME.
Sorry, I opened it upside down, guys.
Even have warranty.
Oh, here's some more information on it right there.
Cool. All right. We're going to be cooking with it. And it does come packed in nice because so it doesn't get dented during shipping. So this has got to be a good product.
All right. And what I'm using today is the butter and garlic. And this is real butter with garlic in it. So this way I don't over garlic it.
Gonna have some Asian steam medley.
I can tell you right now, this handle is not hot. So. There we go.
Cooking it nice and good too. Smells good. Nice sear.
Alright, so now I'm going to just flip it over. It's been 4.5 minutes.
Oh wow. Beautiful sear.
And the sear is not hard. Look, I can push into it. That's the way a sear should be. A sear should not be hard like leather. I'll put these over one more time.
That's looking real good.
It is.
And it's big too. Cook those big pieces of meat.
Yeah, and those are top sirloin steaks, so. That's beautiful. All right.
And it's not as smoky.
No. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off for just a moment.
Easy to clean.
And this is an old one, so that will tell you, and I'm not putting much pressure on it.
Bourbon sauce.
Shrimp next.
Okay, shrimp next.
Shrimp only takes 1 or 2 minutes.
1/4 cup sugar. 1/3 cup of soy sauce. And this Jameson little bottle
Is exactly 1/4 cup.
1 tablespoon of vinegar, apple cider.
Taking the shrimp out. And don't do what I did. Drain the water first, but I'm not stressing it because it's all going to be okay with the bourbon sauce.
And the handle is cold.
Yes. So just doing the shrimp, it finished cleaning up the pan. So it's going to be a very easy pan to keep clean. As long as you're not a person that burns things to death, then you're on your own. Ooh, BB needs to be careful. There we go. I just made a mess on the floor. There we go. Now I have to give me some more bourbon.
And the apple cider vinegar?
I gotta get that in a minute. I want to get this all mixed.
All in one pan.
You got to go step by step, but yes, you can do it all in one pan, so you're not having to do 2 or 3 different pans.
And we're just gonna steam the vegetables, but we would have sauteed it in there, but we've made this bourbon sauce, so.
But I mean, I could still do that.
It's up to you. And you're cutting the steaks into strips.
Yeah, so if you're doing this at your house, this is how I recommend you doing it with the steak. Cook the whole steak. Okay, and then when you go to put it on the plates, then you can put as much as you want on or as little, and you're not wasting anything. Or you can put it all together with your vegetables. It will definitely cover a spoon. All right, I need a bowl for this. That's what I'm gonna do with this. Okay. So if you're looking for an all-in-one meal, this is a good idea. Okay. Now, we're going to add the beef. BB has cut it all up. I've dirtied a little bit of dishes, not too much. Mr. Carrot, please stay in.
All in one?
This is an all-in-one meal. Yes, you have to cook things a little separately if you wanted to, like I just did, but this is perfect.
Yeah, Global Home. Link will be in the description.
Yeah, so kudos to Global Home. Great product.
And the handle's still
Cold.
cold.
And this is why I wanted to do a cooking video, was to show you guys that this handle is staying cold and not hot. All right, that is done. That's perfect. I don't want it mushy.
Alrighty.
Now you can take it off. All right, hit me your plate.
There it goes. Bourbon steak, shrimp, and vegetables. In one pan.
Carnivore's dream right here. Well, except for the vegetables.
The Global Home. 5 layers. Easy to clean. A nice good meal.
There you go. There's one. It's quite hot. And yes, BB knows I'm making a mess all over my stove.
Alright, so overall, that's what we cooked.
Another thing too is if you do it like this, if your meat is still a little on the pink side and you put everything together, back together, and cook the vegetables that way, especially if they're frozen, then your meat's going to finish cooking to well done.
Right. So you could cook the shrimp and the vegetables all together and then just pour that on top of the steak if you want to.
Yeah.
So what do you think of the pan?
I love the pan.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, again, I'm touching it. Now, down there, it's a little warm, but up here, it's not. And nobody, in all reality, should be touching a pan like this anyway. But it's true to what they say. Their handle does not get hot. It sautés perfectly. It sears the meat. That's why I wanted to do a cooking video to show you. In all reality, it is a great pan. And it's big. It's way bigger than I thought with looking at it in the box. I didn't think I was going to be able to cook a whole lot at one time. You've seen I had those 2 steaks.
Definitely going to cook breakfast.
So if you guys are looking for a good stainless steel pan that the handle doesn't get hot, and you already seen it can get all kinds of gooey, and with a little bit of hot water, comes right off. So until the next.
And the steak tastes just like if it was in the restaurant.
Yeah.
So I think that's better to use than the heavy pan that we got.
Cast iron.
Yeah. No smoke, no fire alarms, no nothing.
No nothing. And I use butter and garlic. So.
Yes.
So until the next video, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.